Oh my god guys, it is like 8:12, it is pouring, it is Friday the 23rd, so tomorrow is Christmas Eve, which is Christmas for me, and I'm literally just in my car because I'm about to go to work for my last shift, and then I have 4 days off, finally. I feel like for the past 2 weeks I have not had like any consecutive days off from work, so it's just been taking a toll on me. I feel very stressed very easily. Yesterday I had a day off, and then yeah, today I'm coming in for 1 day and then 4 days off, and yeah, I needed to take a nap because I got stressed out about like Korea and like doing my documents, and then I got stressed out at other people. So yeah, sorry that it's so dark. Literally, I don't know what's going on, but let's just turn my car on because me talking is fogging it up. I feel like at the current moment listening to my replay 22. So Nam's playing. Enjoy.
When we met, I was stuck in a troubled headspace. Didn't know what I had until it was too late. Tried to carry me through, but I was dead weight. The person that I could become.
Bought myself some lunch today because I didn't have time to make any this morning. Mexican style bean and sweet potato wrap. I'm watching young Sheldon. So guys, it is after work. It's actually 10 to 8. I literally after work went to Sainsbury's and I wanted to get Shin Ramen again, but they didn't have any. So I got Lotus Biscoff 3-pack of ice cream, and I did eat all 3 ice creams. Even though like I'm not in the mood for like sweet things, I still eat sweet things and then it makes me feel sick. So I've had a lot of food today and now I just feel very bloated and very much more tired. But I am on the floor. Look at the mess behind me. Damn, I'm too lazy to clean up, but I will do after I do my workout. Today is upper bodies, so we're doing Caroline's bicep blow up and back because I haven't done back in a while. So that's what I'm gonna do whilst continuing to listen to playlists I showed you in the morning. Look how big the last chocolate in my advent calendar is. So guys, it is after my walk and I literally was like, okay, I'm going for this walk to relax, have a peaceful mind before I come home and like probably just chill out on the sofa until my mom and dad finish making the Christmas dinner, because if you didn't know, Polish people celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. And then it got me thinking, because I'm literally on a walk, like this walk that I take is like 5 minutes away from my job, like where I work. So I went to see my friends because most of them were in today. We were just talking about like me leaving, because I'm probably going to be leaving my job at the end of January, and like it kind of makes me sad because I've been messaging my friends and saying like I'm probably leaving in the middle of February. So like I'm making plans nearly every weekend. I feel like I'm gonna have plans with friends just to like say goodbye. I want to take selfies and like photos with them so I can like print those out and make this like beautiful collage in my apartment. Why is there so many cars driving around? Yeah, someone just parked in front of me, so I thought I would have to go, but he's gone now. So yeah, it just makes me kind of sad, everything I'm leaving behind. But at the same time, I know I need to do this. But yeah, let's just go home because there's so many cars around this area. So, and my car's fogging up as I speak more. Yeah, okay, let's go. My God, can you see my beautiful car? I'm gonna have to sell her as well. January is gonna be a bittersweet month for sure.
Leciała? Też w tym naszku? No to byś chciała.
Ona jest poprawna.
Rybę.
Pierogi byś chciała?
A ty gdzie się schowałaś?
So guys, it is still Christmas Eve, kind of, Christmas night. It's just gone past 9 p.m. I'm so full from our Christmas dinner. We just had loads of fish, śledzie, which is like herring and yogurt, potatoes, which I love. I don't know why, they always taste so good. We had borscht, which is beetroot soup, with uszka, which is like little ears, but they're technically dumplings with mushroom stuffing, which I always love as well. Fun fact, I don't eat barely any of these foods apart from on Christmas Eve. I don't know why, they always just taste better on Christmas Eve. And then what else? My mum made fried cod, which I love so much, especially when it's fried on coconut oil. It just tastes so like Jamaican, which isn't very Polish, but I love fried fish. Polish people love fried fish. So what else did we have? Oh yeah, vegetable salad, which is like very fatty. I had a lot of that because it basically has all these different vegetables like peas, carrots, pickled cucumbers, and then you have like mayonnaise and like yogurt and stuff like that, so, and eggs. Yeah, it just makes it fatty, but it's just so good. I had some candy kittens because my brother got us some sour watermelon and the raspberry and guava ones. So good. So yeah, I did a lot of things before the Christmas dinner, and yeah, I finally got my passport photos done, and I noticed my posture is really bad. I was literally sitting on the chair and like this is what my shoulders look like. That's really bad. And I had that for my when I did my British citizenship one as well. I looked at the photos and I was like, what is going on with my shoulders? So yeah, I need to work on my posture. I think, yeah, it's because my spine's never been straight. But yeah, that is it for like Christmas Eve. I got to see my workmates today. Had a good time with my family. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Powiedz coś.
Starowych świąt.